If you've made a purchase on Steam and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client on your computer. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access the Help section. Once logged in, navigate to the Help section. You can find this option in the top menu. Click on it to access support options. Step 3. Select the purchase. In the Help section, choose Purchases. This will show you a list of your recent transactions. Find the purchase you want to refund and click on it. Step 4. Request a refund. After selecting the purchase, you will see options related to it. Choose I would like a refund and follow the prompts to specify your reason for the refund request. Step 5. Submit your request. Finally, review your refund request details and submit it. You will receive a confirmation email and Steam will process your request typically within a few days. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund status.